Hello viewers, this is attorney Gehi, and now we are going to talk about the B-1 and the B-2 visa. If you are a foreign national and if you are considering visiting the United States, the answer to your question is the B-1 or the B-2 visa. Now, what is the B-1 visa? The B-1 visa is for people who just want to come to the United States to conduct business and go back. Now, the best way for me to explain this is to take a simple example and demonstrate to people of how can you use the B-1 visa. For example, you have a company in a foreign country and you have a big export company, and at this time you want to come and meet with the importer in the United States. Basically, this is the person to whom you're supplying your goods. And you want to have a business meeting and you want to let them know that you're interested in developing more business with this particular individual in the United States or with this particular company. The answer to the question is consider the B-1 visa. When you get a B-1 visa, then your purpose in the United States is to just conduct your business and go back, which means that you come here. Of course, you can basically meet all the directors of the company in the United States. You can meet the chairman, conduct your business. You can have a nice day, do a little bit of sightseeing, and go back. That's what the business visa means. And after that, what you can do is that you can go back to your country, you can contact them, and you can develop the business. This was the entire idea behind the B-1 visa. Now, why is the B-1 visa a little different than the B-2 visa? The B-2 visa allows you to come to the United States for pleasure and for visiting. For example, now I'm sitting in Africa right now, and I think that I want to go to the United States, and I just want to spend a lot of time over there with my family and my kids, and I want to take them to New York. That's where I am, and would love to see you if you ever come to New York, and you want to visit Times Square, the most happening place. What do? Simple. Plan yourself for the B-2 visa, and it's very important for you to have proper documentation, especially when you are considering to apply for the B-1 or the B-2 visa. This is because under Section 214 of the Immigration and Nationality Act, you are required to prove to the consulate that you have a non-immigrant intent, and the B-1 and the B-2 visa is a non-immigrant visa, which means that you do not intend to permanently reside in the United States. So when you go for the interview, the consulate officer is going to ask you, why should I believe you that you're not going to go back? And remember, the burden of proof is on you to show that you are going to go back to your home country. So now this means that you need to show adequate documentation. You need to, of course, have an airline ticket if you have one, or even if you don't have one, you need to show that you have fantastic tax records and you're working properly in your home country. You will be interviewed on several occasions. The consulate likes people to come in for an interview, especially when you're applying for the first time, and he wants to see your true intent. As you rightly know, that people come to the United States and they don't go back after they get a visitor's visa. So you should not be among those people who intends to actually come and live over here. You need to make sure that you convince the consulate that you definitely are going to return to your home country. There's a laundry list of documents which is actually required for you to prove that you will be going back. It's always a good idea for you to consult a lawyer, especially when you're applying for the B-1 or the B-2 visa. This is because, you may not be very much familiar with the nuances and all the meat and the potatoes of the immigration system of the United States. So therefore, it is very, very important for you to actually have an attorney prepare your documents, or if not, if you're very comfortable, see that you should at least be able to demonstrate a non-immigrant intent for the B-1 visa or for the B-2 visa. Regularly, we've assisted a lot of computer consulting companies from foreign countries, especially when they want to establish a branch office in the United States. For example, if you're a manager in an ID consulting company or a foreign consulting firm, what you can do is that you can obtain a B-1 visa and you can come in and see us, And because what we can do for you is we can also establish a branch office for you and convert you into an L visa. For example, let's take the scenario that you're an IT foreign corporation that wants to establish a branch office in the United States. You can contact us and basically send us an email by visiting our website at gehigreencard.com or immigrationquestion.com or calling us at 718-263-5999. And after you call us, then let us know that you intend to come in on a B-1 visa. And we can help you to prepare those documents that you are actually coming here with the intent of basically establishing an office. So once if you get the B-1 visa, we can talk to you, we can assist you, and we can proceed by actually assisting you by establishing an office here. Now we are also going to discuss this particular issue in an L visa category, wherein you'll get a lot more details. If you have any further questions regarding the B-1 or the B-2 visa, you can visit our website at www.immigrationquestion.com. And remember, if you're looking for some more information and if you want to get very much knowledgeable about the B-1, B-2 visa, I have a very, very simple answer for you. It's my secret. This is the book which I've written on immigration. It's immigrationforeveryone.com, and I've discussed the B-1, B-2 visa in intricate detail. You can visit us at Amazon, or you can retain our services by visiting our website at www.immigrationquestion.com. This is Attorney Naresh Gehi. We'll be back again with some more important news from the world of law.